Hi, I'm Devin Bowman, the General Manager at Technical Glass Products. Oftentimes, people ask me the question, what's the heart and soul of TGP? The answer is easy. It comes down to the people. We are privileged to have a staff of very knowledgeable, competent, hardworking people that care about our customers. We'd like to introduce you to some of these amazing folks. To that end, we're excited to launch a new video series called TGP Reflections. In the video series, you're going to hear from our staff as they share stories about the people here at TGP, the culture that we have, as well as some of the projects that we've worked on over the years, including challenges that we see in the industry and the innovations and solutions that we have developed to address those challenges. At the end of the day, TGP Reflections are conversations. We're excited to have these conversations with you. I'm Devin Bowman. Thanks for watching.